Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my issue with my MacBook Pro 2011. It's the bigger 15-inch model, and I had an issue where here on my charging cable the light was just a very, very dim green. You could barely make it out, only by really, plugging it in and really paying attention. Now I fixed it, and that's why it's orange, but it was a very, very dim green. And if you want to watch this video and it should make sense for you, then you have to, reset the SMC, check all your power adapters and all that stuff is working well, and that you tried all the normal tricks, unplugging the battery, all that stuff, made sure that none of that, all those normal tips that everybody gives you work, because my issue was something very different and something I've never seen it. I really researched a lot. I already worked a lot on my MacBook. I already, took out the motherboard and all that stuff and worked on almost everything already. And I have another MacBook, so I got a spare part. And what I did, I changed out the DC-In adapter. It's the part where the MagSafe connector actually connects. And what I saw here is, I hope you can make it out on camera, but right about in the middle you can maybe make out that two of the cables are squinched, or like a little bit pushed in and more flat than they should be, and that is because they were pinched in by a bracket and were just in a bad place, and that's why almost no electricity was going through them. So that was my issue for the very, very dim green light. So I changed out the DC adapter, since my old one had damaged cables. I think this is only an issue that can happen to you when you already worked on your MacBook. I hope that doesn't happen with MacBooks that come out of the factory, but this was my issue, and it's an issue I never saw anywhere else before, which is why I wanted to post this video. And now it's lighting up green. My battery is charging right here. 3 hours of time is left. If you tried everything and still have the problem with the green dim light, maybe open up the MacBook, the back, take out the motherboard, disconnect all cables. You can find other tutorials for that, and check whether any of these cables are pinched, or just maybe exchange this port, and it's gonna work out, hopefully. Yeah. So enjoy your day. Hope this helped.